Hello beautiful, thanks for tuning into my channel today. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're old, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how I achieve this beautiful look. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe, and see you in the video. So guys, I've already gone ahead to section out my hair from ear to ear looking like so. The line doesn't have to be perfect because it's not going to show anyways. So I'm just using an elastic band to section out the front part to leave it for later. The worst mistake I did in this hairstyle is that I didn't stretch out my hair first before styling it, so it was difficult to work with. So I'm just using a crochet pin to just crochet the ends of the hair of the cornrow that I've already made so that it doesn't poke out. So it's just a regular 4 braids coming back. So working in the front section, so I made a patch from my head, from the down part of my hair, like this. Using the edge control to make the lines neat. Then I made a basic cornrow from the back coming forward. I'm sorry guys, because of the position of my camera you won't be able to see what I'm doing, but it's just a regular cornrow from back coming forward. Then when I get to the end, just add in a little bit of extension to make it a bit thick and firm and to the desired length in which I want it to get to. And I twist it down to the tips. So I noticed that my hair was poking out a little bit. So what I did was go in with a little bit of edge control to smooth it in, then continue twisting. Then when it gets to where you want the length to be okay, just tie it up and leave it for later. So I'm going to go ahead to do the other part also, then I'll come back and show you. So take one part and make a square section. So I just went ahead to make sure the line is as neat as I can get it to be. You want to tie up or maybe cornrow the other side that you're not working with so that it doesn't cover up the part in which you've made. So I went ahead to use the Creme of Nature with Argan oil Moroccan maximum hold styling knot to gel up the parts so that it's going to be neat. I'm going to leave a link to the Amazon store in which I bought this particular one, and I'm also going to leave the name of every material I'm going to be using and product I'm going to be using in this video. So next I went in with an elastic band. This is the non-rubber part because this one doesn't snug in your hair. The rubber band also snug in your hair and it causes your hair to break. So after tying that section out, you just want to go ahead and make a braid down up to 70% of the hair. You don't have to braid the hair down to the tips because you're going to be adding it with another one. So you just want to braid it up to 70% and leave it for later. So working with the other parts, make another square section. Make the lines to be as neat as possible always in this part of the hair that you're doing. Go in with your gel to keep it in place. And pack it up. So guys, I'm going to stop talking now so that you're just going to see what I'm doing, and I'm going to come back when it's time to do something different.
I keep a photograph in which we were in love, caught in your eyes, waiting for the sunrise. I barely even knew who you were. What did you do? I didn't care, 'cause you were perfect, I swear. But somebody told me that it's over. Oh no, it's true. You made me happy for a while.
So to make that crisscross effect, you just want to take the down side, pass it over to the other side of the hair. You're going to see what I'm going to do in a few minutes. So take the down side, pass it over to the up part like that, then rubber band it. Share it to secure it in place, and you have that. Then braid it to 70%. I'm sorry. So guys, you just want to cross the other one over also, then rubber band it. So now if you're looking at it very well, you're seeing that crisscross effect, which is what we want to get in this video. Then break it down 70%, then repeat the process in the other side.
Photograph in which we were in love, caught in your eyes, waiting for the sunrise. I barely even knew who you were. What did you do? I didn't care, 'cause you were perfect, I swear. But somebody told me that it's over. Oh no, it's true. You made me happy for a while. I remember fleeting times when we slept on top of cars. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. I remember fleeting times when we watched the sparks so fire. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. Stars shone in our eyes like the lights of fireflies. We were obsessed and we felt warmth in our chests. Your heart was full of dreams. It made you feel extreme. Give me a sign if you keep it.
So when you've gotten to the last section, you just want to braid everything up together. This time around, you're going to have to braid it down to the tips. Then wrap it around each other to make a little bun and secure with an elastic band like this, and you're done. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other parts, and then I will come back to show you. So this is what it's looking like. So using the Jamaican band squeezing, which I did in my last video. If you haven't seen the video yet on how I achieved this extension, I'm going to leave a link to it in the description box below so you can go check it out. So working on the back part, I'm just going to crochet that extension into my hair like this. So pass it around, loop it through 1, 2, 3 times, I guess that's what I did. Tie it to be tight so that it doesn't come undone. Then you go. So again, pass it through the loop, pass it through your hair, then loop it through 3 times so it doesn't come unraveled. Then you're done. So I'm going to go ahead and do all of my hair, then I will come back to show you what it's looking like. So guys, this is what the back section is looking like. I hope it's lovely. So working with the front section, just carrying a small elastic band, make a loop at the middle of the extension. What I'm doing is I'm using just 5 of this extension, then attach it to the little bunny which you made on your hair, flip it over to cover the bun, and wrap it all around so the bun doesn't show, making a much bigger bun, and it's just looking pretty. It's really easy to do, it's not difficult at all. So wrap it around till you get to the end. and secure it with a bobby pin like this. So I'll go in with another bobby pin to just look at anywhere that the extension is poking out and secure it back in with the bobby pin. And this is what it's looking like. So I noticed that bobby pin didn't go in very well, so I'm just putting it back. And I'm going to go ahead to do the other side, and I will come back to show you what it's looking like. So guys, this is what it's looking like. Next, I'll go in with a gold hair jewelry. In this part in which the hair crisscross, I just added a little bit of jewelry to make it look more pretty and girly, I guess. So just added in the gold jewelry wherever I feel is nice to put it. That's it. So next, I'm just gonna add some beads to the front part. What I'm doing is using a bobby pin, since I don't have the bead lash. Just pass hook a bobby pin at the extension, then pass the bead through the bobby pin. That is one simple way to pass it. And if you don't have the beading tool, I don't know what they call it. So I'm gonna put 5 beads on each side. Then when you're done, fold it over at the last one and use an elastic band to secure it, like so. So use the scissors and cut off the excess, push it down. That's it. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, share with your friends and loved ones. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any video you would like to see me do, please leave me a comment. Thank you so much for watching.